Is your wrist too small for a watch? Or maybe is that watch too small for your wrist? Either way, let's try to figure this out today. It is 1:27 p.m. Let's get down to business. When trying to find the ideal watch size for your specific wrist, you'll see a lot of publications telling you to measure the circumference of your wrist. But in reality, after wearing a ton of watches and after testing a bunch of watches, I've found that simply measuring the width of your wrist is a much more helpful metric that will actually give you a much better understanding of what watches to choose from. Let's head over to my desk and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So here I use these dirt cheap digital calipers to get a measurement of my wrist's width, and then I compare it to a watch's lug-to-lug measurement. Once you have an understanding on how those two measurements correlate, you'll have a much better idea of how much real estate a watch takes up on your specific wrist. Now, as with everything, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so here comes the subjectiveness of the matter. Some people like to have their watches wear oversized. Some people like a big, prominent wrist presence. That's a term that's thrown around a lot in the watch world. And some people, like me, like a kind of understated piece. I'm a vintage collector, so I'm very comfortable wearing smaller, undersized watches. Personally, I use that wrist width measurement and I compare it to a watch's lug-to-lug, and I try to choose watches that are well below the width of my wrist. But for someone who wants a watch that is much more prominent, that takes up a lot more real estate on their wrist, well, you'll use that watch's lug-to-lug and you'll compare it to your wrist's width, and you'll choose something that's either comparable to your wrist's width or maybe, I guess, even larger than that if that's what you like. But either way, however you like your watch to be worn, I hope this episode helped, and if you have any questions about this weird world of watches, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. Alright guys, I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman. Let time tell you, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.